In CueTimer, you can now see the slide progress in the same window as the countdown. And this is very useful for a presenter who is holding a timed presentation, and he both needs to know how much time he has left and how far he has progressed with the slides. And by having this information all in the same window, it's very easy to compare. So here you can see that Ole, he's a bit slow with the slide clicking and his time is running out. So maybe he needs to speed up in the presentation, or the producer who is watching this knows that Ole is a bit late and we might run into overtime. In CueTimer, we get the slide information from APS, which is another app that we have that can speak directly to PowerPoint. So what you need to do in order to make this work is first to have APS installed on a computer like this, and then of course run PowerPoint. And in the CueTimer, you set up a connection so that CueTimer can listen to APS. And you do this from the slide tab here, APS slide info. You plot in the IP address and the port number and you push connect. So here I have another machine with this IP address. When this lit screen, it means that the connection is okay. So now when you change the slide on the external computer, then this slide info will change. In CueTimer, we have a lot of ways we can customize these windows. And in order to see this slide info, you need to enable it here, because by default it will be hidden. There's simply too much elements that we have to offer, so we can't show everything at once. So you might need to turn off the clock and then turn on the slide text. And now this will be shown permanently on the window. And you can customize it, for example, make the progress bar smaller, or change the font and move it to the left and the right. You can also show the slide info through the Multitimer window. And this window will display countdowns from different lists. And for each list, you can choose if you want to display a clock or the presentation. And the presentation is the slide info. So here we have pushed the clock, and you just now sees the clock instead of the countdown from the list. Then if you push the presentation, it will display the slide info in this window. And you also get here the name of the presentation. So this is how you can see slide info from APS in CueTimer. I hope this is useful. Take care and see you again soon.